Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your social media usernames in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Click on Edit Profile option. Now scroll down your screen. And here you can enter the usernames associated with your social media accounts. Here I'm gonna enter my Facebook username. Click on the Save option. Now whenever people will view your account, they can also see that you've included your username of social media accounts. So that is how you can add your social media usernames in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.